YouTube, what's happening? Alright, man, I got some little content for y'all. It's the new Flow-Rite, Flow-Rite live well kit for all my little tiny boaters, my fishermen, period. You know, been anxious to see what come in this Flow-Rite kit when you get in the mail. I got it. Just came in the mail right now. They put it on my door, dog was barking, all that. So I'm gonna open this up live and we're gonna see what we got. Flow-Rite live well kit. Check. Alright, so I got my live well kit right here in the box. Check it out. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so I don't use no scissors, you know, pretty strong. You know what I mean? We just get it open like that. Bam. Nice packaging. Okay. So it don't look like, I could be wrong, but it don't look like, see me down here? It don't look like everything is in there. So it don't look like everything is in there. Like I said, could be wrong, but we're gonna finish checking it out and we're gonna see. All right. Bam. So this looks like my tubing. This is gonna be to carry my water, you know, things like that. So that's a check. This look like some 3/4 inch. I don't know. I'm sure it's a checklist, but this is a nice bit. Long. Oh, it's a couple bits. Okay, so we got one. We got this long one. So there's two. One really long one and one short one. It looks like they're different diameters too. And they are. If you can see, this one in my right hand is a little bigger than my left hand. Is that reversed on screen? I don't know, but boom, there's those. So one really big diameter one that's short, and one long one that's not short. Alright. We got a bag full of stuff here. Let's check out the bag. Alright. We got this nicely sealed too. I'm just gonna tear this open. Put that open there. So it looks like we got a bunch of quick connects, different sizes here. My different quick connects. They say these save time. They go on your cable there too, so I'm gonna check those out. Alright. Got my Atwood tsunami pump. I don't know if y'all can see that. These are supposed to be pretty good with my cable there. It says MP105 Flow-Rite on there. Yeah. That's in the bag. Looks like I got my, what is this? Let's see what this is. Timer, the Flow-Rite timer, and all those parts. So it's got the timer, time delay thing, and it's got that switch there on the side. So here's my timer here. As you can see that, there's the timer. And there is the switch. It's got 3 prongs, I'm supposing, 2 power, 1 ground. That's usually how things go. Looks like on, off, on, it says on there. Don't know if you guys can see that. There's that. Alright, a couple other things in there. And then of course the faceplate, it's got the backing on there. You know, damn. So there's that. Alright. Oh, here's that Flow-Rite nozzle they've been proudly showing, saying it's the greatest. You pull it out, boom, recirc, you know, all that. Can't do it in the package. Let's take it out and see, because that's one thing I thought was awesome about this live well kit. So, pulls out, ooh, recirc, and then just, I think, inlet or something like that. I don't know, but that's that. Boom. What else we got? Bunch of covers. You know, we don't want to let junk get in there, just suck it in, water or whatever. Recircling that water through the valve. Oh, there's our other little empty recirc valve option there. Empty recirc valve. Bam, got that. Oh, here's another little valve that can help out with that. I think this controls some of that transom or live well, where you want the water to go out to, if you want to go to the live well or out to the transom. Another Flow-Rite control option module thing or something. Got some, I think these are through hole fittings or something like that. I believe they are through hole fittings. I believe is what they are. It's a nice elbow, 90-degree elbow one. Some more quick connects. This is the custom for your pump holder, I believe. It goes something like that, some weird way. I don't know. I gotta look at the directions, but I know that's what that is. So we got that. And we got a bunch of more just quick connects, through holes. Well, let's put the quick connects down. So we know those are. But here's some more through holes here, and I believe again these are for your live well. Your getting water in the live well and taking it out the live well and recirculating. That's what these are for. Some of those different filters go on the ends of those. These filters I was talking about. So there's that. We got one more through hole. That's a big one. So I'm not sure. I gotta check out my instructions again. But there's that. And I got a bunch of ring clamps. Bunch of these ring clamps to tighten that tube around those quick connects. Alright, that's all of it. So maybe I do have everything. Alright, so when I first opened the box, I was saying it didn't look like everything was there. On initial inspection, you know what I'm saying? I like that. On initial inspection, it did look like everything was there. But when I went back after the video, I was looking at a couple things, and there's a wire, right? So it runs from this. Can y'all see that? Yeah, it runs from there to this switch right here. And it actually controls, I think, whether you empty, you know, recirculate, or it goes on auto. I could be wrong, but I know it has to be a wire that hooks into that little yellow ring there. You see that little hole right here? Yeah, there has to be a wire, and there's a hole here. This moves. I didn't get the wire. I did check on the delivery, and it said partially delivered. So I'm gonna go back, check that out, and see if maybe I'm missing the wire or something else that wasn't delivered. I did get a bunch of stuff, so I'm missing a bunch of things, you know what I mean? I still got, not missing, but stuff was delayed in shipping, so I still got stuff coming, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, you know what I mean? And yeah, we're gonna get them parts. Yeah, man, that's my Flow-Rite live well kit. I'm gonna make another video when I put it all in the boat, you know what I mean? Stay tuned for that. Other videos dropping soon. New YouTube channel, trying to get it popping, man. Y'all stick with me, man. Be patient. My lighting gonna get better. I got a mic. The mic gonna get better. It's getting better. Stick with me, all right? Peace, YouTube. That way. A-Town.